Session. Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, so today we are going to discuss backorder. Okay, so backorder functionality. So we're gonna discuss how system will automatically perform the backorder and what was the reasons. Okay, so what will be the reasons for system to do automatically backorder? Okay, and also we'll go and see how the business team can manually perform backorder for any cases. Might be there are some cases. Okay, they have two customers. One customer is best customer, another customer is okay regular some normal customer. Okay, he is not a regular or is not a best customer. Okay, for example, customer A is the best customer. Customer B is a normal customer. Okay, customer normal customer. So in this case, like when the business will do manually back order, I'm explaining that. Okay, there may be one case I'll tell you. Okay, but there are other cases also. Okay, fine. So we got a order date. Let me take this. Okay, customers type. It's not like customer type would be just internal and external. Okay, I'll just mention relationship. Okay, instead of type. Okay, now order date. Okay, order date. So in this case, just assume, okay, you have 100 quantity available. Okay, you have 100 quantity available in application. Okay, and this customer order we got it on 5th. Okay, the order we received from our customer 5th. Okay, 5th Jan 2026. And another order we received today, 7th. It is 7th. Okay, status. I'll just mention status of SO. Okay. Now, so obviously this, since it is received on long back and maybe they request it by this end of the week and they might be started the pick release activity, right? So it may be in pick status. Okay. And just created, it will be awaiting shipping status. Okay, awaiting shipping status. So in this case, see, he's the best customer, right? We have best customer. Okay, he's the best customer. And again, we have to do some adjustment here. Okay, some adjustment we have to do. So ordered quantity. So ordered quantity. He also ordered 100. He also ordered 100. So currently we have available how much? OHQ. OHQ available, on-hand quantity available. It is 100 only. So we have 100 quantity, just 100. Okay, since here it is already picked, it is in the process to do just final step, ship confirm step. So now we got a order today. Now you have to manage this. So how do we manage, like how the business will manage? By using back order, by using the back order. So how they will go and execute it? So this picked quantity is there, right? So when they're performing a shipping activity, if they want to deliver only 50 quantity, yes, they can deliver only 50 quantity, and remaining quantity they can do back order. Or else No, this customer is okay and he's okay. Maybe they checked internally and he is okay to receive even item on 16th next week, so that we will plan our production and everything. Okay. So in that case, what they can do, entire 100 quantity, they will do back order. So when they do back order, the line, this right, it's like a cancellation. You can say it's like reverting back. Okay. The status will be in picked status, right? It will be in back order, and thus 100 quantity you can utilize for this best customer for doing a pick and shipping activity. Okay. So in this cases, this is one of the case. Okay. This is one of the case. In those cases, yes, they do back order. So in this case, action they will take. So back order at ship confirm stage. Okay. And this is proceed to send the item. Proceed to, let me write technical words, pick and ship. Okay. So this the action they'll take. Okay. Now I understand what cases the back order can be useful. Okay. So this is manually user performed. Manually user performed on this case. So we're gonna see, okay, we're gonna see two scenarios, right? As explained. We're gonna see automatically how system will do the back order, and we manually, like the business team manually, how many places they can do back order. So they can do back order at shipping transaction form, okay, and also they can do back order at transact order form, okay, at transact order form they can do. But when they want to do in a transact order form, it should not be in picked status. It should be in release to warehouse. Okay, release to warehouse in shipping transaction form. Okay, fine. So first what we do is, so let's execute this scenario. Okay, let's execute this scenario. Let's execute this scenario. Fine. Log into the application. The reason for the backorder, right? There are few reasons. The first main reason is you you created an order, but the warehouse team didn't check the on-hand quantity available or not. Okay, and they performed a shipping picking activity. So when system is couldn't able to find the quantity, then it will go for backorder. You can simply say insufficient quantity. Okay, insufficient quantity. So this is main one of the reason. Okay, and another reason is the quantity is available. Okay, quantity is available, but it reserved for other order. Okay, it reserved for other order. So the physically the quantity is available on the sub inventory, but it is reserved. It reserved for some other order. In that case also it will go for back order. And there are some reasons where if you use lot or lot control and all, right, if you have the quantity and but that lot is expired, yes, that case also it will go for back order. Okay, so three reasons we discussed, right? First is insufficient quantity, and second is quantity available but reserved for other order, It might be reserved for other order, and maybe lot is expired. Okay, lot is expired, and there are maybe other reason like you just entered into other month. Okay, new period. Maybe the inventory periods might not open. Yes, in that case also we can expect a back order. Okay. And what is the reason for back order and everything? You can see in the table WSH exception table. Okay, fine. Fine. Let's execute the scenario. To execute the scenario, first of all, we need to check the quantity. Just check the quantity. Just check the quantity. So we'll check in the FG sub inventory. Okay, we'll check in the FG sub inventory. So what happened to this? Item is not coming. Yeah. Okay. Check in the FG sub inventory. So somehow I think 50 quantity is available, but it is okay. It is reserved for some other orders. Okay. It is reserved for some other orders. So what we do is mm, first what you do is I'll create one new order. Okay. I'll create one new item. I'll create one new item so that we can skip some manual actions. Okay, so increasing the quantity and all. So and I will show you in the first itself, the first itself showing a automatically our system will do back order. Okay, fine. mm, ABC FG 2001. So I just mentioned this. Okay, and so laptop, choose the template. So finished good, and save it and assign to the org. Assign to the org. Save this. Fine. Fine. Now let's go on to how we'll gonna see how system will automatically do the back order. And also once you create the item, so you have to add the item in the price list, right? Let's do that. Let's do that. ABC FG2. It is 90,000. Okay. The laptop price is 90,000. Fine. Fine. Come here in this form. I'll just go for just choosing the standard order. Okay. So in our upcoming topics, once you select the customer, how you can default the order type, we'll gonna see. Okay, in the by using defaulting rules and all. Fine. Now go to the lines. Go to the lines. Select FG2. Okay, I'll just go for as per our example 100 quantity. Okay, 100 quantity. Fine. So as of now, there is no quantity, right? See, there is no quantity. Even it is an unhand, reservable, nothing, zero. Okay, okay, fine. Now I'll show you here how system will automatically do the back order. Just book the order. Order has been booked. So now it is in awaiting shipping status. Okay. Now take the order number and just go and perform. Just go and perform. Just go and perform pick release activity. Either you do release from this or just go and do from the transact form. Anything is fine. Select the org here. I think the order numbers are duplicating. Okay, fine. Now go and select launch quick release. Do the launch quick release. Okay, fine. Just check the program status, pick selection list generation. It will go for warning. In the meantime, let me open SQL. I'll show you in the backend also if it is, or where you can see the message and everything. Just refresh. See, it went for warning status. Okay. So in front end itself, you want to see the warning status, why it is in reason. When you performing a quick release activity, you have to enable the debug. Okay, debug. Fine. Just refresh this page and you will see the status with backorder. See, it is in backorder. System automatically performed a backorder. When I do just launch quick release. Okay. When I do launch quick release, or if you gonna do through release sales order form, it will automatically do a back order because there is no quantity. Okay. Now in backend, how you gonna see? Just copy the order number. Copy the order number. Now come to the backend. Come to the backend. Query one table. That is WSH exceptions. Exceptions. So where you type with message. Okay. In the message level, it will display your item name and um, your item name and your sales order number. Okay. Either one of you can. So it's the best practice. You query with sales order number. Okay. Message. Just spelling. See, there is one entry. So the entry is this. The error is this. So this is how you can get. This is how you can get error message from the backend. Means the reason. Okay. What is the reason it is telling? Quick release process could not allocate 100 of the item FG2. This is FG2 only, right? FG2 for the order. This is the order number as there was a insufficient quantity available. Okay. See, this will give you the reasons, but not exact reasons. This is telling insufficient quantity available, or again inventory allocation has failed. If we have this inventory allocation have failed, there may be reason the quantity is available, but it is not available for reserve. It is reserved for other order, or maybe the lot is expired, or maybe the periods are not open. So maybe some issue with the quantity. Hmm? Maybe the item is expired, or maybe anyhow when the quantity is available, you cannot make the item expired, or you can make the item inactive. Okay, so there are other reasons. Okay, the finally what happened? The line has been back ordered. Okay. So this is how you can check in the backend why it is back order or not. But this will give, this is the message only it will give. But again you have to debug. When you see this kind of error message, you have to go and check that item, take that item and go and check in inventory level at on hand level whether quantity is available or not. If it is available, and just click on availability, you will see the availability or not. Okay, and if you see the zero for reservation, then just take that item and go to the reservations form and check in the reservations and take a screenshot saying that it will show you against which order it is reserved, and just give it to your business users saying that it is reserved for the other order, so you cannot use this quantity. If you want to cancel that reservation, you take an action. It's up to business action. So that's how we have to suggest. So if they want to cancel the reservation for other order and proceed with this order, right? Then this it is their task. They have to go and do cancellation of reservation and then perform quick release again for this. So it is in back order, right? How you can perform again pick release? It is same only, just launch pick release, right? Just go and click on go. That's it. Select launch pick release and click on go. Again, it will process. And if you want to do from debug enable, you just enable the debug. Okay, see the file will be stored in this path. Okay, this is the path the file, log file will store, and just click on OK. So this time it will take little time and it will trigger. Okay, this is how you do. And if you want, if you are doing not from the shipping transaction form, okay, again you are doing like the business is doing from the release sales order form. This is a release sales order form, right? So they're gonna select the release rule. Okay, now if you see here, all it is coming all. If you want to only progress the back order one, you just select the back ordered, only the back ordered one. Okay, only the back ordered one. Some release rules business may firstly initially define with unreleased. So when it is unreleased means it is just not even released. It's in awaiting shipping status. Okay, awaiting shipping status. So those will be progressed. Okay, fine. So this is system automatically perform. Okay. So next is we're gonna see how we can perform manually back order. Okay. So to do that, we have to increase the quantity in a item, right? So how do you gonna increase the quantity quickly? So we're gonna use inventory transaction, one of transaction miscellaneous receipt. Miscellaneous receipt. Here's this transaction. I'll increase in FG. Okay, 100 quantity. I'll give the cost for these maybe 60,000. I spent 60,000, but I'm selling in our market 90,000. Okay, fine. Just an example. Okay, mm, miscellaneous accounts. Fine. Save it. Save it. Okay, done. So now I have 100 quantities available, right? Now let's go and create a. Let's go and execute the our scenario. So our example, this, right? So here I don't have other customers and all. Okay, I think we have only one customer. We are doing all the practice and all, right? So if you want to create new customers, okay, yes, on your practice, please create a new customer and see. But all I'll do is first I'll create one order and just think about it's a normal order, normal customer. I'll create another order after few minutes. Okay, and when this new order create, first order create, I'll do book the order and I'll also do pick. I'll also pick the order. Okay, and then I'll create a new order and let's come to this scenario. So then it will match this scenario. Okay, fine. So just go here. Back order test. Let's mention like this, back order test for our reference. ABC standard. ABC standard. FG2 100 quantity. Okay, 100 quantity. Fine. Book it. Order has been booked. You will have quantities available now, right? You can do pick release activity. Okay, you can do pick release activity. So what is number? 70034. Take this number, go to the shipping transaction. I'll do from here now. Okay. So unreleased or anything you can select. I just shall select release rule. It will default whatever is there. Okay. So this one, the first one. Okay, the first one. So go to the inventory. Just observe this pandas in this and just click on concurrent. Click on concurrent. Fine. Now just go and open the order here. Open the order here. You will see staged. Okay, you will see staged. Once pick selection list generation completes, you will see the status staged, pick confirmed. Next step is ship confirm. Next step is ship confirm. Yeah, now you can see staged, right? Now in a sales order level, you'll see the status picked. Sales order level, you'll see the status picked. Go to the lines. Okay, it is a picked status. Okay, now now let's go and create another order. Just think about what's the best order, best customer order. We have to somehow manage for both customers, like giving 50 quantity for other customer and giving 50 quantity this customer. It's up to business choice. But what I'll do is I'll just go and do a back order for entire for 70034 order. Okay. And for the best customer order, I'll do quick release. Back order test. FG, FG2, 100 quantity. Okay. Save it. Save it. If you check the on hand, I will see. I can see the on-hand quantity, but I cannot see reservable. It cannot be reserved because it is already picked and it is reserved status for other order. Even reservations you cannot cancel now for that other order because it is in picked status, right? Fine. Just book the order. Okay. Just book the order. Close this form. Let me just show you an order organizer. Both. I think today I'll find with today date. Okay, ignore this third one. Let's go to the line level. Ignore this third one. I'll just clear it from here. I think the record is not clear. Okay, it's fine. You just ignore this dollar line. Okay, maybe come here. Okay, just consider these two lines only. Okay, two lines only. So this is in picked status and this is in awaiting shipping status, right? It is exactly matched to picked and this is awaiting shipping, right? Now we have only 100 quantity. So both orders we have 100, right? Both we have 100. Both we have 100. Okay. So both we have 100. So this is 100 and it is in awaiting shipping. Correct. It is in awaiting shipping. It is in 100. Both are different orders. Okay. Both are different orders. Now I'll go and do back order for this 70034 and the remaining one I'll do the latest order. I will progress. Okay. Latest order I'll progress. Fine. Let's go and do this. Let's go and do this. Let's go and do this. So we have just 5 minutes. Go to the shipping transaction, give the order number 34, right? Which is in picked status, this one. Okay. Just go to the delivery tab. Go for ship confirm, click on ship confirm. You just do back order. That's enough. Or if you want, if customer want, let me just close it. If customer want, if customer want like if the business team want to manage it somehow, okay. For example, so they will enter here 50 quantity, okay, 50 quantity, shipped quantity 50, and they'll come to the delivery level, ship confirm, and here ship entered quantities. You have to select ship entered quantities. Unspecified quantity is a back order. So what it will do is 50 quantity it will deliver, and remaining 50 quantity it will back order. So the remaining 50 quantity they can use it for other customer. Okay, so that also they can manage, but I'm going to do entire quantity back order. See, when I select that much, then automatically system is saying that okay, 50 quantity can be shipped, remaining 50 quantity should be back order. Just remove this. I'll do entire back order. So let me just find with the org. It is displaying other org. No, go to the delivery, ship confirm, and select just back order. Just back order. So when you select just back order, all this is not applicable, right? Just click on OK. So the delivery is like closed means it is cancelled. Okay, it's like cancelled. Just requery this. See, it is in back order now. Now order number 35. Order number 35. I can use. I can use it. I can do now quick release for this. Okay, I can do now quick release for this. Launch quick release. So this is one of the case where the business go and do manually quick release. Okay, and another scenario we have discussed, right? Another scenario again, we have done the ship confirm act. Just we have done the quick release activity, right? We have done the quick release activity. How many minutes we have? We have just 2 minutes. I'll show you in a transact model form how you go and do back order. Let me just find if there is any eligible record. Go to the inventory. Go to the inventory. Sorry. Go to the inventory responsibility. Modus, transact modus. Modus, transact modus. Okay, just find with just enabling sales order. I see there are two. Okay, the first one is the requisition mode. This is okay, and this one is related to sales order. Okay, it's like if you see sales pick. Okay, now enable this one. Come to view update allocations. Okay, now here we will be having a it's okay. Missing quantity is okay. Back order. Missing quantity is again here. For example, this order, I think requested 100, and I think 50 already delivered, I guess. Okay. Again, if you want to split this, like 25 quantity want to ship, remaining quantity should be back order. In that case, yes, you can go with this. Else, if you want to do entire this quantity back order, if you want to entire quantity like this 50 quantity want to do back order, then just go to the tools, just put the cursor here, go to the tools. What happened? What happened to this order? This there is a back order. This is not enable. Maybe requested quantity. This is 50. Even for canceling the allocation also it has to enable. Cancel allocation, the third option is there, right? It has to enable. Let's see what is the order number. Let's discuss in other session also. We have just few minutes. Okay, that is okay. Sales order number for this. Yes. 32. Order number 32.